You've seen a lot of different businesses. You've seen obviously those with great skill sets, lots of hopes for the future. Where does it go wrong? I mean, if they have all of that in the first place, where does it go wrong?
I think the number one thing that we find that everyone sort of falls short on or forgets to think about is their vision. I suppose that clarity of knowing where you're going to be. Stephen Covey says, begin with the end in mind. Some people don't even know what that end is, whether it's the 5, 10, 15, 20-year journey. What do they want to achieve? Do they want to be in their business? Do they want to be out of their business? What does their staffing look like? So having those key elements of knowledge of where you want to be, but also having a clear sort of vision, mission, and the company values.
Graham, what are the consequences if you haven't got that vision in mind?
Look, you could be motivated as an employer, but heading in the wrong direction. And again, team congruency. So, if you've got 2 or 3 people without the same vision and drive, you can be heading in opposite directions. So that's not good for any company.
Right. Where do you start in terms of addressing that vision?
Well, we've created a program called the Future Planner, and it basically gives you that step-by-step process of mapping out where you want to be, right from the get-go to the end product. You sitting on the beach in your deck chair, looking back at the business and being proud of it. So it's that step-by-step approach that we try to take the business person on, that sort of guided tour. And by doing that, I suppose, well, what we're doing is giving the martial arts school owner the martial arts business entrepreneur mindset. And when you have that mindset, well, you have that direction. And when you got that clear direction, well, you're going to get where you want to be.
Is it easy to follow that step-by-step process?
Definitely. Look, I put it down to, related back to being almost like a sniper with a rifle and a scope. Once you've got your crosshairs lined up on your direction you want to head, there's nothing that's going to distract you or waver you from that. So it's very, very simple to follow, easy to do, which is great. And as Phil mentioned before, clarity. So you've got, a direction you're heading and away you go.
Just finally, what do you notice as a result when they follow this kind of step-by-step process? What do you see?
What I see most often is belief. A lot of martial artists have degrees in martial arts, but not in business. So they lack that belief in their business knowledge. And when you have that sort of brick house rather than a house of straw mentality, well, you've got that belief that you can achieve anything that you want. And that may mean if you are switching to a different direction in your business or whatever it may be, rebranding, whatever it might have to be. But having that belief in yourself gives you that purpose to keep soldiering on even through those tough times.
And with belief, you're going to get that enthusiasm, that motivation, that drive, that renewed hunger again. And it's exciting to see people who have been doing what they've done for as long as they have get that almost rebirth. So it's exciting to watch.
Great stuff. Thanks, gents.